This video presents our dicom Cortx integration. Dicom is a widely used standard in healthcare to store and transmit medical imaging information and related data. There are a lot of free or paid dicom servers or viewers, but the strength of them is storing. Our solution is focused on metadata collecting and searching with Elasticsearch integration. We achieve this with a bonus feature like dicom management in a legally proper way for HIPAA or GDPR compatibility, since we originally are lawyers. Our solution contains 5 major parts: collecting metadata, managing data, searching, warning about potential legal and data risks, removing protected health information from dicom. Let's see an example. Users can collect metadata from dicom files and store it on a local Cortx server. In healthcare, a local server is usually a good solution to meet the requirements of regulation and protect sensitive data. In a hospital, doctors, nurses, and medical imaging machines create a lot of medical data. Using a searchable storing mechanism is better over only storing the data in a static way. Searchability, scalability, and openness are the greatest advantages of Cortx over a general dicom server. Our solution can help users to identify potential legal and data risks, such as patient name, social number. We can remove protected health information from dicom files to support HIPAA, GDPR, or CCPA compatible data management. In the healthcare industry, each actor has a unique data level to see and handle personal and sensitive data. This level is different when we talk about a specialist, a research center, or the maintainer of a medical imaging machine. With a well-labeled dicom structure, it is easily manageable. Our solution handles the mostly used dicom tags. We already integrated 4,840 tags into our system as the base of the labeling method. For the legal parts, we implemented the warning features for 256 potentially risky tags. During the hackathon, we made a command line application to target the IT staff of hospitals. In the future, it will be good to create a UI-based software to widen the target audience from IT to doctors and nurses. The logic of our dicom integration is easy to understand. If this project will be selected as a winner, we would like to use our prize to develop new features and the graphical user interface. Thanks for watching.